My strategy is special, not the pair.
Interesting. So walk us through a day when you're doing your analysis, because you were telling me that you're full-time trading
Right.
at this point now. You're full-time trading now. You were saying you work in what? The personal care or something?
Yeah, I worked in the medical field.
Okay.
But for the last 7 to 8 months, all of my funds been coming from trading.
And so walk us through the day in the life of, you and your full-time trading. How does it go down?
So it starts on Saturday night. I like to take Saturday morning kind of for myself and the family. But it starts on Saturday night. I'm looking at the week ahead, right? I'm looking at what pairs I want to target based on the structure of how they performed last week, right? So my strategy is a weekly market cycle. So I'm looking for the best entry places for the entire week, right? So that starts on a Saturday, goes into Sunday. I'm looking to see where can I get the best price point at, because I'm looking to hold those trades for like 2 to 3 days.
2 to 3 day swings. You ever hold trades over the weekend at all?
No, I do in my personal account.
Mm-hmm.
Not on TFT because I'm doing the rapids.
Yep.
But I am.
So you do the regular account, not the swing.
No. I do the regular.
Okay. You get the more leverage.
I need the leverage.
Yeah.
I'm a leverage guy, a rapid leverage guy.
Oh, yeah. So in regards to these positions, what's like the average risk reward and like the average stop loss, like the size?
Right. So, man, because my strategy is entry based, if my stop, I'm looking to keep my stop no more than 10 pips above the entry. Right. If I got to go 10 pips above, that means I'm entering wrong.
Really?
Right. So I got certain triggers set up in my mind to let me know if it's a bad trade. Like if I got to place the stop loss 25, 30 pips or some shit, like I'm at the wrong price point. So the stop loss kind of determines if I'm going to take the trade.
And the risk rewards, what are you shooting for?
I'm shooting for like,
They must be big risk rewards if you got 10 pip stop loss.
Yeah. So I'm like 5 to 1. I mean, it's insane. It's insane. Like 5 to 1. I'm like I say, my stop losses are so tight. The risk to reward is gonna
get crazy.
It's gonna get crazy.
Yeah, it's gonna be like 10 to 1 and everything.
And I like to keep my stop losses tight because that allows me to utilize my leverage. Yeah, which is why I like the regular accounts. Yeah, so you can take a 20-25 lot trade with a 10 pip stop loss and not have to sweat too much. You can go 30 lot.
This is a very important topic because the reality is and I've dropped this on other podcasts before. The people that are making the most money on the platform, they have high risk rewards. Mm-hmm. They maximize the use of their leverage. Right. That's how you maximize this $500 for a 100K account. Mm-hmm. That's how you really make the most money.
That's how you make the most money, and that's how you show yourself you're growing. Right. So you can have discipline and you cannot be reckless, but at the end of the day, you got to redefine your strategy enough to where you can utilize the leverage. Right. Because when I look at a trader and I see you taking a bunch of, 50-cent lot sizes, $1 lot sizes,
you might as well have 1-to-1 leverage.
Exactly. Another thing that tells me is that you don't really believe in yourself that much. You see what I'm saying? You kind of teetering on the fence, 1 foot in, 1 foot out. When I place a trade, I've done the homework. I've done the analysis. This trade is gonna pay out. It should pay out. So I got 10 pips, 30 lots, 40 lots, and I'm riding with it.
Your profit per point is insane. Yeah, it's very high.
Right. So when I have a week, like a 20K week, I expected that to happen.